In today's video, I'll show you how to leverage the power of Notion AI to streamline your daily workflow, automate your meeting documentation, and build customized schedules completely from scratch. Notion has evolved from a simple note-taking application into an intelligent workspace. And today, we are diving deep into how its native artificial intelligence can do the heavy lifting for you. We will begin our journey on the standard Welcome to Notion landing page. To get started with a brand new workspace, move your cursor over to the left-hand sidebar menu. Under the Private section, you'll see an option labeled Plus Add New. Go ahead and click that button to open up the template creation window. Notion will present you with a variety of popular preset options designed for immediate use, such as a Tasks Tracker, Projects Tracker, or Document Hub. For this demonstration, scroll down slightly and select the Meeting Notes template. This action instantly opens a customization dialog box where you can tailor the metadata fields to your specific organizational needs. By default, attributes like date, category, and attendees are enabled. To make your tracking even more precise, click on the toggle switches next to last edited by and last updated time to turn them on. Once you see the checkboxes update visually on the right side preview panel, click the blue Continue button at the bottom of the window. Next, the system will ask how you prefer to visualize your newly created database. You can organize your entries by all meetings, your specific notes, or by specific groups. Let's select the By Category option to organize everything by meeting type, such as stand-ups or retros. Give that a click and then hit the blue Done button to finalize the layout. Now that our meeting notes database is fully generated, you'll notice a black prompt box pop up at the bottom of the screen asking, "Is this for a meeting?" Notion AI is offering to automatically handle your note-taking structure. Click the button that says, Add AI Meeting Notes to embed intelligent automation right into your template. Once clicked, the database will populate with sample entries like a product release postmortem and a weekly team sync. Hover your mouse over the Product Release Postmortem row and click on the Open in Side Peek Split Screen button. A clean side panel will slide open on the right, showcasing a fully integrated AI Meeting Notes block complete with dedicated tabs for automated summaries and transcripts. This is incredibly helpful for instantly extracting key takeaways from audio recordings or long meeting discussions without reading through walls of text. Click the close icon or outside the panel to head back to your main workspace layout. To see how a brand new entry looks, navigate down the database table and click the row labeled Plus New Meeting. This opens up a blank document template where the AI Meeting Notes component automatically initializes at the bottom, standing by to assist you the moment you start typing out your agenda. Let's shift gears and explore the standalone AI chat tool. Move your cursor back to the bottom left corner of the main sidebar menu and click on the New Chat button, which you can also quickly access using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+O. This action opens a full-screen minimalist chat interface displaying the message, "How can I help you today?" Click inside the central input field where it says "Do anything with AI" and type out a clear instruction. For this example, let's type, "Create a weekly plan for a busy student." Once your text is ready, click the blue upward-facing arrow on the right side of the box to submit your request. In just a matter of seconds, Notion AI completely structures an extensive, highly organized study template. As you scroll down the page, you'll see that the AI didn't just give you a generic list. It built a comprehensive dashboard complete with a weekly priorities checklist, designated time blocks for morning, midday, and evening routines, and fully detailed daily column breakdowns from Monday all the way through Sunday. The absolute best part about this workspace is that it's completely interactive. If you want to make adjustments, you don't have to rewrite everything manually. Instead, move your mouse back down to the AI chat prompt box situated at the bottom of your screen. Click inside it and provide a follow-up instruction to refine the schedule. Let's type, "Can you add time with self or me time?" and hit your enter key. And that's it. That's how you use Notion AI to build smart databases, automate summaries, and construct highly tailored productivity schedules with ease.